At this year's National Ploughing Championships in Tullamore, Bank of Ireland will deliver a wide range of events and exhibits. At 1200 p.m. on Tuesday, September 19th, and 100 p.m. on Wednesday, September 20th, an expert panel will discuss the prospects for the dairy and beef industries in the light of Brexit. Attendees will get a unique perspective on Brexit from the UK Department of Agriculture and hear how Bank of Ireland wants to continue supporting farmers looking to grow and diversify their farm businesses. Bank of Ireland is also hosting 3 cutting-edge agribusinesses. Leading Edge brings the best in lean techniques which have been used across all business sectors worldwide to increase efficiency to your farm. The results include more motivated and engaged teams, fewer hours worked, increased productivity, reduction in spending, a safer work environment, and more consistent results. FarmHedge has created a free app which uses the location of your farm to create a set of hourly and 10-day weather alerts and handy tips for things like grass growth, environment and safety, harvesting, fertilizing, and seeding, and animal health. They combine the best hourly and 10-day weather forecasts with your farm's 10-year weather history to create useful alerts that can guide your activities for the next 10 days. A New Dairy, established in April 2016, is a certified organic food company. It aims to connect the consumer to the positive role of cows creating healthy food from healthy soils. The company methods go beyond the typical organic food company, as it is also a regenerative agriculture company that develops solutions to increase soil organic and carbon levels along with traditional chemical-free organic farming. A New Dairy uses grazing management and soil microbiome analysis to discover the best option for farmers, consumers, animal welfare and environmental impact. Agriculture, a key sector. Sean Farrell, head of agriculture at Bank of Ireland, commented, "We are really looking forward to once again hosting our stand at this year's National Ploughing Championships. The ploughing provides us with a unique opportunity to connect with our customers from all walks of life. Agriculture remains a key growth sector for us, and, as well as the discussion forums and our featured agribusinesses, we will also have experienced bank staff on the stand to speak and help customers who call in. I'm looking forward to meeting with existing and prospective customers in Tullamore later this week," he concluded.